Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When a person gives someone a lei, it symbolizes their affection towards the other. Leis are commonly presented when someone is arriving and leaving, so it's no surprise that leis are given to graduates as they are leaving school and arriving to this new stage of life.
Let's help you make your mark.
Determine what amount of money you'd like to gift. If you need extra flowers, you can create more from paper and intermix them with the money. A typical money lei could, for example, consist of $31 bills and 30 paper flowers, $51 bills or even $25 bills and 20 flowers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.